ladies and gentlemen, welcome back on the chat, and today we are going to talk about video call. What do you understand by a word video call? Video call, what is exactly a video call? Video call is a call made via a mobile phone with a camera and a screen, allowing the participants to see each other as they talk. A video call is a phone call using an internet connection, sometimes called VoIP, that utilizes video to transmit a live picture of the person making the call. Video calls are made using computers, webcam, or other electronic devices with a video-capable camera like a smartphone, tablet, or video-capable phone system. Do video calls cost money? The answer is no. Video calling also works across both Android or iOS. WhatsApp video calling is technically free in that sense, or in the sense that WhatsApp isn't charging you any money to make the call. However, the video calls require an internet connection, so they consume data from your phone's data plan. Video call on a computer. Video call on a computer. Additional software is often required. One such program, additional software is often required. One such program is Skype, which allows video calls and normal voice calls using an internet connection on a computer. Video call on a smartphone. If they have the capacity, smartphones have built-in applications for video calls that vary from brand to brand. For example, you can make a Facetime call on Apple iPhones. However, others may be downloaded and installed via your smartphone's App Store or Google Play. Video call on a tablet. Tablets require an application for making video calls. Again, Skype is an option and other downloadable apps. Not all tablets include a built-in camera, so make sure your tablet has this feature before trying to make a video call. Video call on a video phone. Phone systems with a built-in video call capability include a camera and the necessary programming to make the video calls. Person receiving the call needs a similar phone system to view video and transmit a video back to the caller. What is the difference between FaceTime and video call? FaceTime is Apple's built-in video call application. FaceTime is very easy to use but only connects people using Apple devices, not Android. You can set up groups on FaceTime to chat with up to 32 people. You can use Siri commands to make audio calls or video calls to other iPhone users. Why video calls are better than phone calls? Another good question. Thanks to the increase in face-to-face interaction with video communications, we hold much stronger and trusting relationships with each of our customers. We get to know each other as a person, not just a voice, and in turn builds the long-term relationships that are vital to everyone involved. 10 business benefits of video call. Here's interesting. More engaging than audio call. It's more engaging than audio call. It's efficient. It saves on travel money. It improves communication. It connects teams. It improves productivity. It improves attendance. It improves more structure for meetings. And there are some disadvantages of video call. Less personal contact and understanding. Network instability and time lag. Technical issues and employee training. More stress and less organization. Sometimes it can occur. Video calls are something important and productive nowadays due to COVID-19. Many people now choose to do their meetings online due to measures, and also it helps students to connect with their lecturers easily because nowadays some of the universities are taking some online courses without the meeting of the people, but via video calls. And that's what I had for you guys today in the chat. And let me hope you subscribe, you share, you like, and you do not forget to share with us your ideas, suggestions in the comment section. So see you next time. God bless you. This was the chart.